All right, now on to the second part of the video. If you are new here, my name is Simone Nicole TV, and that's on word. Period. Poo. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the gift set that I spoke about in my last video, telling you guys the story time of how I was able to get it. So here's the box. I'm gonna show you guys how it came. I'll insert some clips here of how the gift sets came. I tried my best to wrap it back up the way it was, but I had to open it as soon as I saw it just to make sure everything was the way it was supposed to be, because you never know, you never know. So here it is. It came in a black bag with the bow that has Chanel written on it and this little flower. I know that they sometimes will spray it. It has no scent on this one, but sometimes they will spray it. I've seen them do it in the actual boutique, the beauty counters, but I don't know when it comes to the other ones. But anywho, this is how it looks. The two gift sets are in there. Like I said in the previous video, I'm just repeat everything in case you didn't watch the first one. This was a very hard to get item, very much sought after. I got two, one for myself and from the birthday girl, Aaliyah. And this one is a bit different than the original ones that you've seen online. If you have been looking for this, you probably clicked on my video in hopes of me giving you ideas to try to get it. And all I can say, sis, is don't give up. Bro, don't give up. Keep walking into the stores, keep searching for the item, and it will come up. If not this year, at least next year will be more ahead of the game and more prepared. This is my first year finding about this item, and I'm happy and grateful that I was able to get it, because people probably have been searching for it for the past 2 years and still can't get their hands on it. But I just got lucky enough to get it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open up this. Well, the thing is, I'm actually, this is a gift for Aaliyah, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give her the bag and keep the one that I'm giving her inside of it. So I'm not gonna undo this because I don't wanna have to go through the hassle of putting it back. So I'm gonna leave this in here and give her the bag just like this. But this is what's in the bag. So like I said, the two gift sets. Gift set number one, this is how it looks. It says Chanel with the glitter. In the older version, last year's version, 2020, it has the CCs on the front. And I think it's a planet, SEC on the planet. So it has the same theme, it's like a galaxy theme. Oh, it's upside down, my bad. It's like a galaxy space theme. So this is the first one. Put that right there. Shout out to Brandon Blackwood back there. And then the second one, the one, I'm gonna keep one of these for myself. And then they also put in here a card with my information in it, the purchase information, and the receipt. For those who are interested, I will go ahead and let you know who I ordered it from. That's so cute. Can you guys see that? So cute. I ordered it from, of course, the Chanel Boutique, located in the Bal Harbor, 9700 Collins Avenue, Suite 165. And then they retail for $76 a piece. It's very stiff. Like, this is like the type of card that's like more thick than actual gift cards. It's thicker than the sleeves that Louis Vuitton give you for sure. So that's the first item that's in there. That's not the actual gift set. And they gave me this sample, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. This is not a favorite scent of mine. I'll probably give this to my mom or my cousin or my auntie, anybody who wants it, to be honest. 'Cause this is not a favorite of mine, but it still smells pretty good. And then they also put in here this little baggie with a string at the top. And it has, what is this? Is this a makeup brush? It has this in here. I'm assuming this is like a makeup brush or something. It has the CCs on the back. I'm not sure what I would use this for. I don't know. Foundation, is that what this is used for? Somebody let me know. I don't usually buy the miniature sizes, therefore I don't know the purpose of this. Is it for foundation? Is it for concealer? I think it's too thick to be a concealer brush. I'm really new when it comes to makeup, so I'm really asking genuinely because I don't know what that's for. Please don't come after me for not knowing. But and then I have some more samples. This is the blue in Chanel. But I believe this is the men's. Yep, the men's, because the men's say, I believe the men's always say that at the bottom. And it does smell pretty manly. So 2 of those came in there. Probably end up giving those to my boyfriend. Put that with his little gifts. These will make great stocking stuffers, by the way, if you guys do stockings for Christmas holiday celebration. And you can go to any boutique and get them for free. And then that's it. The box is empty. There is a hard bottom to give it a structure. But like I said, I'm gonna keep this together. I'm gonna give it to my friend just like this. That'll look real cute. Walking into the restaurant, walking into the brunch, honey, with the Chanel gift bag. So I've already opened up one of these because I want to make sure everything was the way it's supposed to be. And I had a hard time putting it back on, which it was this one. Y'all can see how it kind of already messed it up already. So I'm not gonna give her this one. I'm gonna give her this one. And if it is kind of frizzy or having those pieces hanging off, I'll just take some scissors to clean it up. Not a big problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys how it looks. Which one is it actually that I opened up? I think it's this one because I feel, okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when you open it up. So this is a little red ribbon, like I said before. It's so cute. And it tells you, and this is what I was saying, how this is separate. This is like different, not separate. Different from the ones I've seen online because I haven't yet to see one that said travel men's essentials. This is the men's box, honey. I got my hands on the men's box. So it's kind of like I'm knocking out 3 birds with 1 stone. Not only was I able to get the bag still, the same exact bag that the women's version comes in, I got 2, one for me and my friend, and then I also have men's items inside that I can also use as little gifts to get to my boyfriend, which I'm sure he'll appreciate. So all you do is slide it off, just like that. Slide it off. It's connected already, so it's easy to put back on. Just I was struggling with it for the first time. And then you just pop it out, just like that. And there's a white covering. And I've already made it into the actual bag, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you don't. So it looks just like this. This is the gift set. This is the gift set bag, just like this. As you can see, it's sparkly. It has the word Chanel on it. And then it has, as they described in other videos, almost like a twilly print. Not like how the last one was from last year. It was more of like a plain flat surface. But this, it has glitter speckles in it. And it has like this twilly-esque finish, as if it was an actual bag from Chanel. And what makes this so interesting and why everybody is going after it, because this set is only $67 to maybe around $90 to $100 to $200, and even that is a good price for a Chanel gift that you can turn into a bag. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes into this one, because I haven't seen this one at all, so I think I should show you guys. This is not how it was wrapped, but this is how I wrapped it, because I'm not a professional rapper, you guys. But this is how it comes in the Chanel paper. I don't know if it's showing up or not. It's kind of wrinkly, but it has Chanel written on it, on the paper itself. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it comes with this chapstick. So just like the moisture must-haves I was trying to get for me and my friend, it came with the chapstick and it also came with the lotion. This one comes with, number 1, a chapstick, and it comes with a second item. It comes with a spray. So that's really cute. Like, this is still a really good set. Like, if you're a woman that likes to wear masculine scents, this is still okay to get for yourself. But if you're trying to get a gift for your husband or your boyfriend or a family member, this is still a really good set to get. I don't know what these retail for. If I find it online, if I remember to look for it, I'll post it on the side, and you can decide or not if it's worth getting them together without the bag or waiting to get the bag with it. So it's the blue on Chanel, Blue Day Chanel spray, and then you have the chapstick. So the chapstick has the CC's at the top as well, and it also says Boy Chanel on the back. The difference with the women's version is that there is like a gold trim around it to make it more feminine, and it also has CC on it. So it's just the packaging. I believe this actual chapstick is the exact same. It's the exact same, and I say that because when I smell it, there's no specific feminine or masculine scent. Like there's no perfume on it, there's no cologne on it. It smells just like any lip balm from Walgreens, from the grocery stores, from the gas stations, like from Bath and Body Works. Well, not Bath and Body Works, because they definitely have scented lipsticks and chapsticks, but shout out to Bath and Body Works. I used to work there in college. But yeah, this can be used for man and woman in my opinion. The only difference is that the packaging looks more on the masculine side, and the other one that comes in the moisture must have look more on the feminine side. But I have no problem. I will wear this, and who gonna tell me not to? Who gonna feel shamed? Nobody. It still says CC on it, and it still does the job to moisturize your lips. So this is how it looks. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out because I don't want it to fall out in case it's loose at the bottom. But yeah, that's how it looks. The chapstick. So I was thinking, do I want to keep this in the gift set for my friend or take it out? Because even though I might be okay with that, I don't know. I don't think she would care. It's still a chapstick. Like, it's still a chapstick. And then of course the perfume slides up and down. It's a travel size cologne for men. And personally, when I saw this, I was really excited because I actually have the travel size inserts that I have for the women's version. But I broke my bottle, and the difference of the bottles is just it looks different. Like I said, the white one, I mean the female version is like a white cube rectangular prism type of situation, and it's very slick, versus this one is not as slick. So like it fell out of my hand and I dropped it and it broke everywhere on the ground. Hey, I'm back. Insert clip here. So I just want to show you guys what I was talking about when I said that I originally purchased a perfume with the travel size. It came with 2 different travel sizes with the canister. I don't know if that's what it's called, that's what I'm calling it. And this is the men's version that came with the gift set. So I went online, and this is what it said to do. So it said twist the top off and pull on this part to take it out, and voila. So this is the men's fragrance here, as you can see, and I think you just twist it. Oh, you just pull it off. Just pull it off. And this is the one that I bought for myself. So I'm just gonna pull the top off, and look, they're exactly the same size, which I'm so happy because I've been going to Chanel kind of see if they'll give me an container for free, or if they could sell me one, but they didn't have any extras. They said that could have been a lie, but there we go. And then I can just slip this back inside this one and use it for myself. Is it in there? Let's see. Yep. Wow. So I have my scent in this one now, and I'm gonna give the other one, because like I said, I purchased 2 gift sets, so I'm gonna give the other one to my boyfriend, and I'm gonna keep this one for myself because I already have refills. Therefore he'll have this extra one, and he'll have the one that it came inside this. So that works out nicely. Like I said, 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm sorry, little birdie, but you had to go. Back to the video. So yeah, and then that's it. And so what I went and did is I went and bought the chain. I'll go ahead and plug her her YouTube channel below also, and she was so helpful. I was able to message her in her video, and she told me which chain to get that I would like for my best fit, and I couldn't find it at first, but she sent me the link. And this is how the chain looks. It's super easy to attach. All you do is just slip it on the side just like that. Can you guys see that? Yeah. And if you want, you can buy a separate D-ring just to make it look a little better, or to make it look a little more classier, to make it look more like a bag. But to me, I think this is good enough to me. But a D-ring would make it look more bag-like. And then I also purchased this kind because you can adjust it. I'm gonna go take the plastic off of this and show you guys that. The heated mess actually has another plug to the chain that you can purchase. I bought mine off of Amazon, but she has a third-party seller other than Amazon that you can go to purchase chains. But the ones that I wanted from her were all sold out, so that's why I went to Amazon instead. So this is how it looks. This is how the bag looks. It's so cute, and you can use this to adjust it. I really liked it. It sold me because you can adjust it. This might be a little bit too big for some people, but you can always put this to the back. So like when you wear your bag, this can be to the back. So that way it's not really noticeable, and it looks nice with the material with the chain. I think that looks really, really good with this type of bag, and it kind of gives off, you know, the Chanel vibe of what they already do with their bags. So there goes the chain, and it's not very heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. There's definitely some weight to it. It's weight to the bag. And this is how you adjust it. All you do is you hold down the button, and then you pull the strings, the chain through. You can make it as short as you would like, or as long as you would like. This is how it would look. Yep. I just think it's so cute. This is so cute. This is it closed. I'll stretch it all the way out once more just to show you guys again. This is how you adjust it. Just pull it through after you press it down, hold it down. There's a ball on the end so that doesn't go straight through. You might have to wiggle it a little bit sometimes because the chains do get a little bit caught on one another. And there you have it. I'm 5'7", and I weigh about 160 something pounds. I'll go ahead and stand up and show you guys how it looks. I'm not really stand up. I'm not really dressed appropriately to be standing up. If you want to see how it looks on me full body, I'll make a separate video of that. Just let me know. But this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's so cute in my opinion. And I'm gifting this to my friend Aaliyah. And I'm pretty sure she'll really appreciate it. But yeah. So cute. I gotta get all the blue off of it. There you go. But that's how it looks. This is how the bag looks. Chain and bag. Gift sets turn into a purse. $76 turn into a purse. It's small, but it definitely fits enough. And of course, if you want to see another video what fits in it, let me know how I style. Let me know what occasions I would wear it to. To me, this could be an everyday bag. You can change it to strap as well. Like, you don't have to have this much of a fancy strap to wear with the bag just because it's a Chanel. You can put on a plain black strap if you want, or a plain gold chain. This reminds me a lot of my Aldo bag I used to have. I think the Aldo bag was a lot smaller. But yes, this is a very nice size purse. I'll definitely be wearing it throughout the holidays. The red one is definitely giving holiday vibes if you've seen that one online. But that will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.